At this point, you should know how to work most of the settings on the machine. So make sure your machine is set up correctly. You want 3A3, lowest speed possible. Turn your machine on, and we can put our paper into the sewing machine. So make sure your presser foot is up. You can place your paper in and then lower the presser foot to go on top of the paper. This will press it down onto the feed dogs. I want you to practice first using the hand wheel on this side. So just move the hand wheel counterclockwise, and you're going to go all the way to the corner. You do this on a project when you want to go really slow because you need to stop soon. So now that I'm in the corner, I need to change directions. In order to do this, we need to pivot. So just like in basketball, we have one foot planted, and then the other foot lifts up, and then we can move our body all around. With the sewing machine, you want your needle planted, lift up your presser foot, and then we can rotate the paper in the direction we need. Put the presser foot down, and then if it's not exactly in line, not a big deal. You can move it however you need to make sure it gets back on the right track. And at this point, you can use your foot pedal. So press on the foot pedal and just gently guide your paper to the next corner. When you get close, slow down, use the hand wheel to go to the corner. And then we need to pivot again. So lift up, turn your paper, presser foot down. You always want the road ahead of you, and then keep going. When you get to curvy parts, all you have to do is rotate the paper to follow the road. If you're not sure how you're doing, turn it around and check it out. The other thing to practice is the reverse button. So if we went to this dead end, we'd have to back up. So let's just pretend I went to the reverse, or all the way to the end. And then in order to reverse, we need to hold down on the reverse button and press the foot pedal at the same time. This is a little bit tricky, so just do your best. As soon as you lift up, it goes forward again. And then you can continue on. Make sure you pivot at each corner. Make sure you're not taking your paper out of the project or out of the machine too many times, because you won't be able to do that with an actual project. So if the paper is in the machine, just leave it in there and just move it around to try and get back on the road if you get off.